Dragon by Steve and Stanlee. Let's get the paper and fold it into half. You flip it like a square and you fold it and you open it and you fold it in the other side and you fold it up. You fold it down. Then you flip it. Then you make it a square and you fold it and you fold it like a triangle. Make it straight. And you open it again and make on the other side the same. And flip it in the other side the same. And you flip it like a square. Tiny square, and you make two sides that are like a middle. You have to touch two of them and you will open it. You do like that. Next you open it and you put it together, flip it together side by side, and no moves, and back side too, the same. And you flip it the same, and you flip it down, and you flip it down again, and you open it, and then you open the other side, and you open every side like that, and you open it and then flip it together again, and you it up, take it out, fold it right, fold it left, open it, and flip it down. Take it out, flip it down, open it, and flip it up and squish it together, and squish it together, and you flip the same at the other side. You flip the same on the other side, and the same at the other side, and the left and the right. And you make it like a star, and you flip it up. Then you flip it down, flip it up, and then you squeeze it, and then you flip it back down. And you flip it in the other side, and you squeeze it together. And then you do and you can pair doing like that. And this is the tail, and this is the head. This is the nose short, you have to fold it. And then you flip the tail down. And then you squeeze it together. And you flip it like that. Then we have our dragon.
Subscribe the button and ring the bell. And forget to click the subscribe button.